Asikubingelele siphinde sikwamukele nakanjani kule channel ehamba phambili indaba zikaBhoqo. Mengabe umusha siyacela wenza ubulungiswa uciphize usubscribe button uciphize nebell khona uzobona wonke ama-clip nama-video amasha esiwafakayo kule channel. Nansi ke kanjani ke le clip umholi weqembu le-EFF uJulius Malema ekhwele dilika ku-MacG we-MacG podcast etrenda kakhulu khona la ku-YouTube. Nansi iclip zizwele.
It's called MacG podcast. It's a political party, that thing. It's a political party. Its role is to depoliticize the youth. It's a political party formed to depoliticize the youth. That is his role. That's why he drinks alcohol during presentation, making alcohol fashionable and telling those who are calling themselves chillers that when you are chilling, you must drink. And then speak loosely about everything black and African. So cheaply. And then when we attend to him, he says they want to cancel me. He thinks he's special. He thinks wearing flip-flops is something special. He wears flip-flops and insult and attack every black person, attack Minnie Dlamini, attack all of these things. And then what is that? Why would you even be shaken by something like? Why would you follow? If you are a thinker, why would you follow something like that? At least Mbuyiseni gave you something to listen to. If you want to learn something, he calls people there of stature who think, who talk sense. I was watching him yesterday with that former police commissioner.
Nawe ke ungakushiya ukuphola kwakho kwi-comment section sizwe ukuthi nocabangani emva kwale nkulumo nje umsizwe nakanjani ke umholi weqembu le-EFF uJulius Malema ekhwela edilika ku-MacG. Ngabe kusho ukuthini lokho? Ngabe mhlambe insizwa yakoMalema idinga attention njengoba sazi ukuthi asibheke okhethweni nohulumeni basemakhaya asazi na kanjani? Awushiye ukuphola kwakho kwi-comment section.